Okay, we are going to start our Excel charts and graphs. In this video, we will cover the basic charts like how to create the pie charts and bar charts. In the previous video, we have shown you how to create the basic formulas or how to use the basic formulas in Excel file. So on the same file that we have worked, we will use the graphs and charts, the monthly budget sheet. On this monthly budget sheet, I will show you how to create the pie charts and bar charts. If we go to the Excel sheets, this is our monthly budget. We have already created some basic formulas like sum, minimum, maximum and average. Now out of this sheet, out of this rows and columns, we call bills and monthly amount, we can create some different kinds of charts and graphs. If you click on the insert tab, and here is the charts dialog box. On this charts dialog box, we have lots of charts options. Out of that, here you see we have the column charts or bar charts, and we have histogram, line charts, and here is pie charts. So out of that, as I said in this video, I will cover bar charts or column charts and the pie charts. So first of all, we'll show you how to create the bar charts or column charts. So in Excel, to create any charts, first of all you need to select the data, the area. You see, I have selected this area where I have covered the bills and the months and the amount. So select this area and then click on the column. We are creating column or bar charts, so you may create this as 2D column or 3D column. So we are just creating this as 3D column. So as you have created, you see, this is your 3D column charts. Now as you have created the chart, it shows the chart title, and we are in the chart design option. So we can edit the chart title here. We can change the color from here, and we can change the layout. You see, as I am changing the, if you want to put down the data on the table or on the charts, you can do that. So these are some changing options. Later we will show you these options. Just here right now we are writing the chart heading. So we call this is our monthly budget. So write down that. Now in this column or bar charts, you have shown all the expenses or bills based on month. So as you have selected totals, it is the, we call total bills based on here individual bills like rent, then car, then credit cards and food and phone. Now if you want to show individual bills based on month, you can show that by using the pie chart. So we are selecting bills from January to March, and we are selecting the rent options here. Then you need to click on the insert tab, and as I said, first you need to select the data, and then you need to click on the charts. So we are selecting here 3D pie. Just click on 3D pie. So this is your pie charts. So on the same sheet, we have created two different charts. Through bar charts or column charts, we have shown you how to show the multiple kinds of data, and in the pie charts here we have shown only one data, like we call the rent bill based on the month. Now if you want to show the different bills based on only 1 month, you can do that by using the bar charts or column charts. So this is our second charts. This is we call pie charts. Now we will create our third charts, that is we call this is bar charts. So select these bills based on the month January. After selecting, click on the insert tab and you have, this is our bar charts or column charts. So select 3D bar. So as we have selected, you see this is our 3D bar charts, and it shows the different kinds of bills amount in the month of January. That means if you want to create the bar charts or pie charts for the month of February, you can do that. Or if you want to create the bills amount for different kinds of bill, like you want to show the car bills for January, February and March, you can do that by selecting those bills. So this is our basic formulas for basic charts options in the Excel. We'll cover some other charts options in other videos. Thank you so much.